You must have watched India playing cricket, hockey, or some other game, and you must have seen people waving the Indian flag. The flag makes us feel that we all belong to the same country. It is the most important symbol of our country. A symbol is a sign or a thing that stands for something. For example, the dove is a symbol of peace. In this chapter, we will learn about some symbols and other things that India is known by. Now, first, let's study about national flag. Every country is known by its national flag. The national flag of India is a horizontal, rectangular tricolor of India, which means it has 3 bands. The topmost band is saffron. It stands for sacrifice. The second one, the band in the middle, is white. It stands for purity. And the last one is the band at the bottom is green. It stands for life. There is a navy blue chakra wheel in the middle of the white band. It has 24 forks to show the 24 hours of a day. The Ashoka chakra is a depiction of the Dharma chakra. The chakra stands for change or progress. It means moving forward. Next, we will study about national emblem. You can see the picture of emblem. An emblem too is a symbol. A country's emblem is a symbol that the government uses as its mark. National emblem of India is a representative seal of the Republic of India that is adapted from the lion capital of Ashoka Pillar, based in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. The pillar was made by Ashoka, a great king who ruled over a large part of our country more than 2000 years ago. It has 4 lions seated back to back, which imply power, courage, confidence, and pride. At the feet of the lions are 4 animals: a horse, a bull, a lion, and an elephant. One Ashoka chakra is visible in the front, with the horse on the left and the bull on the right of it. Below them are the words Satya Mein Jayate. It is written in Devanagari script, which is also the national motto of India. It means truth alone triumphs, or only the truth wins. The lions in the emblem stand for power, the horse stands for energy, and the bull stands for hard work. You will see our national emblem on coins, currency means money, notes, and many other things issued by the government. Letters sent out from government offices also carry the emblem. Now look at the 2 different pictures. One picture is showing about the different coins, and second picture is about notes. So in this you can see the emblem, national emblem is there in notes also and in coins also. So this is the national emblem of India. Now we will study about national anthem. An anthem is a song written in praise of something. Almost every country has a national anthem. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India, and it is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It is basically originally composed first in Bengali language and then it is converted into Hindi version. Next we will study about national song. We also have a national song. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Sanskrit. It begins with Vande Mataram, which means I praise you, mother, that is motherland. When he wrote the song, India was ruled by the British. At that time, many poets wrote songs and poems to make the people feel proud of being Indian. These songs and poems united the people and helped them in their fight to win freedom from the British. They make us remember all those who fought to win freedom from the British. Next we will study about national animal. You can see the picture. The national animal of India, magnificent Royal Bengal tiger. It is a symbol of strength, agility and grace. Next topic we will study about national bird of India. You can see the picture of national bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty and love. The significance of peacock is attached to culture of India. In Hinduism, the image of the god of thunder, rain and war, Indra, was depicted in the form of a peacock. Now let's study about national flower of India. The picture which you are seeing on your screen, that is the national flower of India. Lotus is the national flower of India. In Hindi, we say Kamal. The lotus symbolizes spirituality, fruitfulness, wealth and knowledge. Now the second last topic, national tree of India. You can see the picture of national tree. The banyan tree represents eternal life because of its ever expanding branches. The country's unity is symbolized by the tree's huge structure and its deep roots. Now let's move on to the last topic, national fruit of India. As you all can see the picture of national fruit of India. Mango is a national fruit of India. It is one of the most important and widely cultivated fruits. Its juicy fruit is a rich source of vitamin A, C and D. The fruit amazingly diverse in its varieties. So that's why students, it is known as national fruit of India. And India is on top of the list as the largest mango producer.